Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Red beans and rice is a beloved classic, known for its incredible flavor and comforting warmth. Many people think it's complicated, but mastering this dish at home is surprisingly straightforward, and it's perfect for a cozy weeknight meal. Today, we'll guide you through each simple step to achieve that perfect, creamy texture and deep, satisfying taste that everyone craves. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this truly authentic and delicious meal. You'll love bringing this soulful favorite to your dinner table. To start, you'll need 1 pound of dried small red or kidney beans, ideally soaked overnight. Next, prepare your holy trinity of aromatics: 1 diced onion, 1 bell pepper, and 2 celery stalks. A crucial addition is about 12 ounces of smoked sausage or ham hocks for that deep, savory essence. You'll also need about 6 cups of vegetable or chicken broth, 1 cup of long-grain white rice, and essential seasonings like bay leaves, thyme, and a good quality Creole blend. First, it is crucial to soak your dried red beans. You can do this overnight in plenty of water, or use the quick soak method by boiling them for 10 minutes, then letting them rest for 1 hour. After soaking, drain and rinse your beans thoroughly. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot, sauté your holy trinity of onion, bell pepper, and celery in a little oil until they are beautifully softened and fragrant. This step creates the essential aromatic foundation for your delicious dish. Now add your soaked beans to the pot with the sautéed vegetables. Pour in your 6 cups of broth, then add your smoked sausage or ham hocks, along with bay leaves, thyme, and a good 2 teaspoons of Creole seasoning. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for 2 to 3 hours, stirring occasionally until the beans are incredibly tender. For creaminess, mash some beans against the pot's side. Once your beans have reached that perfect creamy consistency, remove the bay leaves and adjust your seasonings if needed. While the beans are finishing, prepare your white rice according to package directions. To serve, spoon a generous portion of the hot, flavorful red beans over a bed of fluffy white rice. For a beautiful presentation and a burst of freshness, garnish with chopped fresh parsley or thinly sliced green onions. Now, sit back and savor your incredible homemade red beans and rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.